Welcome back to LinguaCraft Academy. In our last lesson, we learned common sight words. Today, we will put those words together to read simple sentences. Reading sentences helps us understand how words work together to form meaning. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and understand short sentences. You will also learn how to recognize sentence structure and build your own sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence has two important rules. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with a punctuation mark, a period for statements, question mark for questions, or an exclamation mark for strong emotions. For example, the sun is bright. This is a statement. Where is my book? This is a question. I love my dog. This shows strong emotion. Now, let's practice reading some short sentences. Here are some simple sentences. I will read them first. Then, you will repeat after me. I am happy. You are my friend. The cat is big. She likes to run. We play in the park. Great job. Now let's challenge ourselves with some reading and answering. I will show you a sentence. Read it carefully, then answer the question. What is bright? What color is the ball? Where do we play? You are doing an amazing job. Let's do one last fun activity before we finish. Read aloud challenge. Now, let's practice reading fluently. Try to read these sentences on your own. Fantastic reading. You are improving so much. Today, we learned how to read and understand short sentences. We practiced reading, building, and answering questions about sentences. Keep practicing every day to become a great reader. Homework. Write 5 short sentences using sight words. Try reading them aloud to a friend or family member. Find a book or sign around you and read a sentence from it. See you next time for more reading fun.